CIET NCERT presents to you the series Nectar of Poetry. Friends, in this series, we bring to you the poems by some well-known poets of English. In this program, we bring to you the poem
Nature is What We See, Emily Dickinson. Born 1830, died in the year 1886. Emily Dickinson was an American poet of the 19th century. She belonged to a cultured family with strong social ties. Emily, however, was an introvert and did not speak much with anyone. So much so, she preferred to remain in her room whenever the family received guests. When she began to write poems, she did not show them to family and friends. Only years later, she showed a few poems to highly regarded friends. About 10 poems were published in her lifetime. It was only after her death that her sister discovered a hidden store of poems, 1,800 in number. Let us read one of her poems. Nature is what we see. The hill, the afternoon, squirrel, eclipse, the bumblebee. Nay, nature is heaven. Nature is what we hear. The bobolink, the sea, thunder, the cricket. Nay, nature is harmony. Nature is what we know, yet have no art to say. So impotent our wisdom is to her simplicity. The poem talks about creatures in nature, the squirrels, the bees, the sea, and thunder. These are observable and visible. They also became the base for her personal vision. Dickinson's poems deal with the themes of life, death, and immortality. The visual images are directly taken from nature: a squirrel, birds, the sea, etc. However, you will notice that these are not described. They become steps leading to a higher truth, that nature is full of harmony, and that is why nature is heaven. We human beings try to gain knowledge, dissect things, and understand events. With all our vast information and knowledge, we have not attained the wisdom to understand nature. Nature's simplicity is her greatness. Dear friends, I would like you to observe the different birds you see and hear, or you could observe the different kinds of leaves in your neighborhood park. Think of leaves in your neighborhood park. Think of the beauty of nature in all her aspects and draw a picture or write a poem about it.
Friends, you were just listening to this program. Subject coordination Dr. Ravindra Kumar. Subject expert Dr. Vardha M. Nikalje. Support Department of Education in Languages. Artist Suchitra Gupta. Recorded by Bati Langlingdo. Production assistants Mayank Thapalial, Directed and produced by Vandana Arimardan. This program is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.